guys, welcome back to a brand new video. So today I will be showing you how to make your bike sound like a motorcycle. So you're gonna need an empty water bottle with no cap, as you can see, and you obviously need a bike. And then you're gonna have to squish it. Then you're gonna have to put it down. Push on that, and now you have it very flat. And then you will have to, then you're gonna have to put it in between here. Put that in there. There you go. Bike a little and look if it works. And that's how you have it. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and yeah, I'll see you later.